In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Project Insight's REST API from within Power BI. The first thing you'll want to do is click Get Data and select Web. The first thing you'll be presented with is a URL. And the URL that you need to know, or the base URL for the REST API for your workspace, can be found in Project Insight under the REST API add-on. You'll see it's right up here at the top. This is the root URL right here. So copy that, paste it in here, then click Advanced. You'll also need to know the path to the endpoint that you want. In this example, I'd like to get all active projects. So over here on the Project Insight website in the API docs, you'll see we have our REST API reference. If you scroll down to Project, you'll see all the different endpoints for project. What I'm looking for is the active projects endpoint, which is right here. I'm going to copy that and paste it into the URL. The other thing you'll need is the API token that you created in PI, and you'll need to add it to the request header. So come over here, and you'll see I already created a Power BI demo API, and you can click on View Token. Copy that. Come back over to Power BI and paste it into this header for API token. And that's all you really need to do. You should click, if I click OK right now, it should pull down a table of data, which you can then use in your Power BI reports. There it is, there's all the data.